Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. SwiftUI glossary admin apps inside. Today we need to see this here the promo codes, view models, and we need to develop here the promo code list. UI we need to develop here. First of all, we need to declare here the API calls names. Write down here the static let sv and to give this here the name promo code underscore code add is equal to set here the base URL plus promo code underscore dot head like this. Now need to copy here and to paste 3 times. Now need to set here the update deletes and add update delete and list. Also need to change here delete and update like this. We need to write down here. Now first of all we need to create here the view models. Now need to copy here the zone view models. We need to copy here and now need to create here the new view models. Create here the new files and to select here the SwiftUI view and to create here the new files. Promo code view model like this. We need to write down here and now need to paste here and now need to change this here the controllers names like this sets. Now need to also need to change here, replace with here promo code view model like this. Change here, replace what all like this. Configures need to configure here. Now need to declare here the some published variables need to set here. First of all need to set here the code. Now need to copy and paste many times. Set here the txt titles, txt description. Then after we need to set this here the offer price. Then after set here minimum order amount. Then after we need to set this here the maximum discount amount and we need to set here under the tabs select tab, set here the 1. Then after select date, select start date is equal to pass here the date initialize. Now need to copy and to paste here. Set here the end dates like this. Configure here. First of all need to action swap on, so need to write down here. I need to set here the txt code, set here blank, and after txt titles set here the blank value. Then after need to configure this here the descriptions blank clear, price clear. Then after need to configure here the max discounts blank, txt min order amounts blank like this sets. And also need to set here the select type 1. By default once means you need to configure this here the discount as a percentage. If you set here 0, then to configure this here the fixed amounts of the to set here. Then after need to select start dates is equal to initialize here the new dates, initialize for the current dates time, and means like this sets all the configures are the needs for this years. Then after need to write down here the txt codes and to write down here and to set here promo code. Same as now need to copy here to paste here. Now one by one we need to set here the validations. Txt titles promo code titles, you need to configure this. Text descriptions, you need to set this here. Like these settings here. Then after you need to configure this here the order price. Txt order price you need to set here. Order price like this sets. Then after you need to configure this here the txt minimum amounts order amounts you need to configure here min order amount like this configures. Then after you need to set this here the max discount. Please enter here the maximum discount amount. Like this you need to write down here. And also same as you need to configure this here the edits. You need to use this here the txt code as you need to set here the code text. Then after txt titles is equal to need to set here the objects dots need to set this here the titles. Txt descriptions is equal to give this here the object dot descriptions. Txt offer price is equal to object dot need to set this here the offer price double quotes inside you need to set here like this value need to configure here. Then after you need to configure here the txt maximum discounts need to set here max discount amount. Then txt min order amounts copy here and to paste this here. Now need to set here the select type. Set here the object dot type. Then after selected start date is equal to object dot start dates. Select end date is equal to object dot end date. Like this, we need to configurations are the needs for the edits. We need to configure here. And then after you need to check here the zone object. First of all, need to modifications here needs. You need to set here the promo object with like this replacing here's and to replace walls like this set here's. Then after you need to set here the this codes now need to copy against with the titles needs here's and to paste with replace. Now need to set here's zone id to id promo code id like this here's also need to pass here's set here id. Now need to set here sv promo code list like this configures. Need to remove here these parameters sv promo codes add need to call here's. Then after need to replace with here's this id change this here's sv promo code update like this calls. Then after need to paste this here's also replace here's sv promo types delete set we need to here's like this configures and to change this here the parameters promo code id like this configures. Now need to copy and to apply here's. Now need to one by one so need to value need to pass here's for the parameters. First of all now need to go inside the add so need to add here the all parameters copy here's paste this here's like this. Now need to set here the code title then after description then after need to set this here the start date and date. You need to set this here the type Then after need to set this here the minimum order amount. Then after need to set this here the maximum discount amount. And we need to paste this here. Set here offer price like here. So now need to set here one by ones all value. txt code, txt titles, txt description. Set here the selected start date. From need to set this here the display format. So need to set this here y m capitals 2 times, and to set here the d smalls like this. Need to formats are the needs here for the servers. Need to paste here, and to also change this here the select end date like this configures. Then after need to pass this here the select type, and also need to configure here txt min order amounts and txt max discount and txt offers price. So need to like this needs here. Now need to copy these parameters and to set for the edit, paste this here, and to apply like this. For the updates, so need to calling here this value and to pass here. Now this is the view models codes are the done, and now need to develop here the promo code list UI. Need to develop here. Already develop this UI inside the previous app. Need to develop for the glossary user apps inside. I need to draw here. Now need to copy and paste here. Now need to create here the view inside the select here the accounts, and inside need to create here the new groups and to give this here the name promo code. And now inside creates here the new files, and need to select here the shift UI view and to give this here the name promo code view like this creates, and to set this here. Now need to open this here the previous app codes. Now need to opening here. Now need to go inside the promo code view, and need to copy this here and to paste here. Maybe no need here to copy because need to copy here the zones is good, because need this here the add buttons, and also need to some configurations are needs. Now need to copy here the zone. Now need to paste here like so. Now need to change here promo code view models, and also need to change here copy and find replace with here the pvm replace walls like this. Need to calling here, and also need to comment here the this code for the add edit and deletes. To need this here commenting here. Then after now need to go and to call this here the add actions opens into calls. Now need to change this here the promo code like here. Click here the back events. Also need to tabs events need to remove here, no needs. Also need to configure this here the buttons here. So need to change here comment these codes. Now need to use this here the this view we need here only. Copy this UI and we need to paste this here. Also make sure we need to remove here the tab events, and need to like this configures, and we need to set here the z object to p objects, and also need to check here no needs here the ramps. So need to clear here. Also need here the three buttons, remove here tab events, and need to configure here the z stack again like this buttons. So need to configures for the uncomment this code like this configures in this value for the pencils and edit. go here the view and to call this here the deletes. Also on tab events no needs, need to clear this here. Need to go inside the account view and to give this here the view as a promo code view like this set here. Now need to run these apps inside the simulators. Now need to check here the object related issue. Need to set here the p objects with replace years. Now need to run years. Now build successfully, and to run this here the app, now need to select here the accounts, select here the promo codes, and to get this here the list, and to get this here the buttons as edits and deletes buttons need to show here, and to click to add here the promo codes. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any questions, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care. And tomorrow need to see this here the promo codes add, promo code edits and promo code builds. You have need to develop as well as need to configure this here the view models.